Hey guys, in this part we talk about booleans in Python. In programming, you often need to know if an expression is true or false. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of two answers, true or false. When you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python returns the boolean answer. So for example, I write print 10 greater than 9 and 10 is equal to 9 and 10 is less than 9. Save and run. True, and this is true, this is false, and this is false. When you run a condition in an if statement, Python returns true or false. So for example, A equal to 200 and B equal to 30, and if B greater than A, print B is greater than A, and else print A is greater than B. Save and run. A is greater than B. Evaluate values and variables. The bool function allows you to evaluate any value and give you true or false in return. So for example, print bool function and print bool hello and a number. Save and the both are true. And you can write, for example, x equal to hello and y equal to 50 and bool x and bool y. Save and run. True and true. Most values are true. Almost any value is evaluated of true if it has some sort of content. Any string is true except empty strings. Any number is true except 0. And any list, tuple, set, and dictionary are true except empty ones. So for example, print bool and array apple and banana. Save and run. And this is a true. Some values are false. In fact, there are not many values that evaluate to false, except empty values, such as, for example, I comment and print such as this, and we should write bool and this and this empty string and 0 and none and false. Save and run. And these are all false. And yeah.